Myers what?
A lot of their apartment buildings have vintage elevation.
Yeah, that's like Imperial in Chicago. Imperial has a ton of shit that's good. Alright, I'm gonna open the door for my video.
Why did Sam or Clay just say I'm disappointed in you, Sam?
I don't know. I'm sorry, Clay. The buttons don't light up, so it's an original controller.
Don't do it, Sam. Don't
Why?
do it. Why? Because that can really fuck it up. I've done that before, and I don't like broke something.
Oh shit. How can I open the little crack?
No, I wouldn't when it's moving.
Okay. Oh yeah, if you open it while it's in the interlock or whatever.
Yeah, it hits a lock. That's what I'm doing. I don't want to.
Oh yeah, that's freaky. No PI. It's weird how the doors sit like that. It probably doesn't have the tension to hold them open all the way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then when it closes, it like opens a little bit and then it closes.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's weird. What?
Simple controller.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah. But what's weird is,
Yeah, this is cool. I wish I left the COP.
Did you hit one?
Yes.
so what? There was one. There was a
No, I hit one.
There's another building that this company owns that had a very similar thing. That had black